Total Agility Online Training. What is Total Agility and how can it transform your business processes? Kofax Total Agility, KTA, is an intelligent automation platform designed to streamline and optimize business processes by integrating AI-driven capabilities such as document processing, workflow automation, robotic process automation, RPA, and analytics. It helps organizations reduce manual work, improve efficiency, and enhance customer experience by automating complex workflows. Key features of Kofax Total Agility. Intelligent Document Processing, IDP, uses AI, OCR, and machine learning to extract and classify data from documents. Business Process Management, BPM, automates and optimizes workflows for increased productivity. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, reduces repetitive manual tasks through software bots. Case Management provides a structured approach for handling dynamic business processes. Customer Communications Management, CCM, enhances interactions through automated, personalized messaging. AI and machine learning enhances decision-making by identifying patterns and trends. Low-code, no-code workflow design allows business users to create and modify workflows without deep technical expertise. How Total Agility can transform your business. Improved operational efficiency automates manual tasks, reducing processing time and errors. Enhanced customer experience speeds up response times and ensures seamless service delivery. Cost savings reduces labor costs and operational inefficiencies. Better compliance and governance automates audit trails and document tracking for regulatory compliance. Scalability and integration works with existing enterprise applications like ERP, CRM, and ECM systems. Use cases. Financial services automates loan processing, account opening, and fraud detection. Healthcare streamlines patient onboarding, claims processing, and compliance tracking. Insurance speeds up policy underwriting and claims processing. Retail and e-commerce enhances order processing and supply chain automation. How to set up and configure Total Agility for workflow automation? Setting up and configuring Kofax Total Agility, KTA, for workflow automation involves several steps, from installation to designing workflows and integrating with external systems. Here's a structured guide to help you get started. 1. Installation and system requirements. Before configuring workflows, ensure your system meets the hardware and software requirements for KTA. System requirements. Operating system, Windows Server 2016/2019/2022. Database, Microsoft SQL Server 2016 or later, or Oracle 12c+. Web server, IIS 10+. Application server, .NET Framework 4.7.2+. Other dependencies, Kofax licensing, Kofax capture, if needed, message queues. Installation steps. Download the Total Agility installer from Kofax. Run the installer and follow the setup wizard. Configure the database connection, SQL Server or Oracle. Set up the application server with IIS and required services. Deploy the web application and validate the installation. 2. Configuring Total Agility. Once installed, configure KTA by setting up users, roles, and system settings. System configuration. Log into Total Agility Designer. Navigate to System Settings and configure. Authentication methods, Windows, SAML, Auth. SMTP settings for email notifications. Database and storage settings. Security settings, user roles, access permissions. User and role management. Go to Admin Console Users and Roles. Create user groups, example HR, Finance, IT. Assign permissions based on user roles. 3. Creating a workflow in Total Agility. Step 1. Define a new workflow process. Open Total Agility Designer. Click New Process Workflow. Name the workflow and set the required metadata. What are the key features of Total Agility for intelligent document processing? Kofax Total Agility, KTA, is a powerful intelligent document processing (IDP) platform that automates document capture, classification, extraction, and workflow management. Here are its key features. 1. AI-powered document processing. Uses machine learning, ML, and natural language processing, NLP, for intelligent data extraction. Auto-classifies documents without predefined templates. Adaptive learning improves accuracy over time. 2. Advanced OCR and data extraction. Leverages Kofax OmniPage OCR and ICR, intelligent character recognition. Extracts structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Supports handwritten text and complex document layouts. 3. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, integration. Seamlessly integrates with Kofax RPA to automate end-to-end business processes. Reduces manual intervention in data entry and validation. 4. Flexible Workflow Automation. Drag-and-drop workflow designer for process automation. Supports BPMN-based process orchestration. Straight-through processing for high-confidence documents. 5. Seamless multi-channel capture. Captures data from scanners, emails, mobile devices, and cloud storage. Extracts information from PDFs, invoices, contracts, and forms. 6. Powerful integration capabilities. Connects with ERP, SAP, Oracle, CRM, Salesforce, ECM, SharePoint, OpenText, and BPM systems. Offers APIs, web services, and pre-built connectors. 7. Compliance and security. Ensures GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO compliance. Provides role-based access control, RBAC, and audit trails. 8. Cloud and on-premise deployment. Supports hybrid, cloud, or on-premises implementations. Scales easily for enterprise-level document processing. How to design and optimize business processes using Total Agility. Kofax Total Agility, KTA, is a low-code automation platform that enables organizations to design, optimize, and automate business processes. To design and optimize business processes using Total Agility, follow these key steps. 1. Process discovery and mapping. Identify and document the business process you want to automate. Use Total Agility's Process Modeler to create a visual workflow. Define process activities, decision points, and integrations with external systems. Map process inputs, example, documents, emails, forms, and expected outputs. To workflow design and configuration. Use drag-and-drop workflow builder to create sequences of tasks. Assign tasks to users, bots, or AI models. Configure business rules and decision logic using KTA Business Rules Engine. Define conditions for exception handling and escalations. 3. Integrate data and systems. Connect with existing enterprise systems, ERP, CRM, ECM, via REST SOAP APIs. Use pre-built connectors to integrate with applications like Microsoft SharePoint, SAP, and Salesforce. Configure document ingestion using Kofax Capture and OCR for automated data extraction. 4. Implement AI and RPA for optimization. Leverage Kofax RPA to automate repetitive tasks. Use AI ML models for document classification and data extraction. Apply predictive analytics for better decision-making in workflows. 5. User experience and forms design. Create dynamic e-forms using the Total Agility Form Designer. Implement self-service portals for customers and employees. Ensure mobile accessibility for process tasks and approvals. 6. Process monitoring and optimization. Use KTA insights and analytics for real-time monitoring. Identify bottlenecks with process heat maps and reports. Optimize workflows by analyzing historical performance and adjusting automation rules. Set up SLA tracking and automated notifications for task deadlines. 7. Deployment and continuous improvement. Deploy workflows in a staging environment for testing. Gather feedback from end users and refine processes iteratively. Implement continuous monitoring to ensure compliance and efficiency. How does Total Agility enable AI-powered data extraction and classification? Kofax Total Agility, KTA, enables AI-powered data extraction and classification by leveraging a combination of machine learning, ML, natural language processing, NLP, and intelligent automation. Here's how it works. 1. Intelligent document classification. Total Agility uses AI-driven classification models to automatically categorize documents based on their structure, content, and metadata. This is done using supervised and unsupervised machine learning models that learn from labeled training data. Natural language processing, NLP, to analyze text and determine the type of document. Image recognition for distinguishing structured, semi-structured, and unstructured documents. 2. AI-powered data extraction. Total Agility extracts key data from documents using optical character recognition, OCR, converts scanned documents or images into machine-readable text. Natural language processing, NLP, understands context and meaning within the text. Intelligent data capture, IDC, uses AI to extract structured and unstructured data. Autolearning and continuous improvement, the system refines extraction models over time based on user feedback. 3. Automation and workflow integration. Once data is extracted, Total Agility integrates it into workflows by Validating extracted data using business rules and AI-based confidence scoring. Routing data to the appropriate business processes, example, invoice processing, claims management. Enabling exception handling where human users review flag data for accuracy. 4. Continuous learning and model improvement. Total Agility employs adaptive learning where the AI model improves with user corrections and feedback. It refines extraction accuracy over time using historical data patterns. Auto-training capabilities ensure the system evolves with new document formats. Use cases. Invoice processing automates extraction of invoice details like amounts, vendor names, and due dates. Claims processing classifies insurance claims and extracts policyholder information. Onboarding and compliance identifies key fields in legal documents, contracts, and customer records. What are the best practices for integrating Total Agility with third-party systems? Integrating Kofax Total Agility (KTA) with third-party systems requires a strategic approach to ensure smooth data exchange, efficiency, and scalability. Here are some best practices. 1. Understand the integration requirements. Identify the third-party systems, ERP, CRM, ECM, BPM, RPA, etc. Determine the data format, JSON, XML, CSV. Understand authentication mechanisms, OAuth, API keys, SAML, LDAP. 2. Use RESTful and SOAP web services. KTA supports REST and SOAP APIs for integration. Use RESTful APIs for lightweight, stateless communication. SOAP may be useful for enterprise systems requiring strict contracts. 3. Leverage Kofax Total Agility connectors. Utilize built-in connectors for platforms like SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, SharePoint, Salesforce, and IBM FileInit. If no connector exists, use custom APIs or middleware. 4. Implement message queues for asynchronous processing. Use message queues, Kafka, RabbitMQ, MSMQ, to avoid synchronous dependencies. Helps handle large document processing loads efficiently. 5. Data mapping and transformation. Use Kofax transformation modules, KTM, to extract and normalize data. Implement middleware, MuleSoft, Apache Camel, Boomi, if complex transformations are required. 6. Secure data exchange. Encrypt API communications, TLS 1.2+. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, and enforce API rate limiting. Log and monitor API activity for security audits. 7. Leverage RPA for legacy system integration. If the third-party system lacks APIs, use Kofax RPA to automate data entry and retrieval. Helps integrate with legacy applications that require manual intervention. 8. Optimize for performance and scalability. Implement batch processing for high-volume document workflows. Use caching mechanisms to reduce redundant API calls. Optimize database queries when retrieving data. How to monitor, analyze, and improve workflow performance in Total Agility. To effectively monitor, analyze, and improve workflow performance in Kofax Total Agility, KTA, follow these key steps. 1. monitoring workflow performance. Monitoring workflows helps identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for optimization. A. Use Total Agility's built-in monitoring tools. Process Monitor provides a real-time view of active workflows, pending tasks, and task completion statuses. Business intelligence dashboards visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, like task duration, backlog, and cycle time. Audit logs and event tracking track system activities, errors, and user interactions to diagnose performance issues. B. Configure alerts and notifications. Set up SLA-based alerts to notify stakeholders when tasks exceed their expected processing time. Enable email SMS notifications for critical workflow events. C. Utilize real-time process insights. Use process discovery to identify hidden inefficiencies in workflow execution. Monitor queue length, idle time, and processing time for optimization. 2. Analyzing workflow performance. Once monitoring data is collected, analyze performance trends to pinpoint bottlenecks and inefficiencies. A. Identify performance bottlenecks. Use Total Agility analytics to detect tasks with excessive waiting times. Analyze task durations and compare against expected completion times. Identify frequent workflow failures or rework loops that slow down processes. B. Evaluate resource utilization. Assess task assignments to ensure workload is evenly distributed across resources. Track user efficiency metrics to optimize workforce allocation. C. Leverage predictive analytics. Apply machine learning models to forecast workflow delays and optimize resource allocation. Utilize historical data trends to predict peak load periods and prepare accordingly. 3. Improving workflow performance. Based on the analysis, implement strategies to enhance efficiency and throughput. A. Optimize business rules and decision points. Automate rule-based decisions using business rules engine to reduce manual interventions. Optimize workflow branching logic to eliminate unnecessary steps. B. Enhance task automation with RPA. Integrate Kofax RPA bots to automate repetitive manual tasks and reduce processing time. Implement Intelligent Document Processing (IDP) to automate data extraction and validation. Why choose ProExcellency for Total Agility online training? ProExcellency is a leading provider of virtual and corporate training, specializing in IT consulting and professional online education. They are committed to delivering high-quality, result-oriented training solutions that empower individuals and organizations to achieve excellence in their respective fields. ProExcellency. While specific information about Total Agility online training is not explicitly mentioned in the available sources, ProExcellency offers a wide range of online training courses across various domains, including SAP, Oracle, and PLM systems. Their training programs are designed to meet the specific needs of companies, industries, and employees, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience. ProExcellency. ProExcellency's commitment to quality is reflected in their use of advanced online training methods, flexible commercial models, and a focus on customer requirements. They offer competitive billing costs, expert resources, and a strong management team, all contributing to long-term customer relationships and proven customer satisfaction. Pro-excellency. Customer reviews further attest to Pro-excellency's excellence in training services. For instance, one reviewer noted, Pro-excellency is very good for supply management training. I took Manhattan WMS training, and it's worth it. Highly recommended. Proven expert. Given their extensive experience and dedication to quality training, Pro-excellency is well positioned to provide effective total agility online training tailored to meet the specific needs of learners and organizations. Thank you.